But my horn shalt thou exalt like the horn of a unicorn. I shall be anointed with fresh oil. Dominion Queens invites you to 5 glorious days of divine impartation and exaltation at the Queens Camping with the King 2016, theme Fresh Oil, with host pastor Wumi Ademola.
As long as you are rehashing your past sin, you cannot move forward and God cannot move you forward.
Guest minister Pastor Chichi Bismarck.
Some of you, what you hear must take the heads of everything that you're facing. You are too kind to the enemy.
Ministering in music, evangelist Tope Alabi.
When Jesus says yes, nobody can say no. When Jesus says yes, nobody can say no.
And the Dominion Queens Choir, Wednesday, October 12th through Sunday, October 16th at Dominion International Center. Admission is free. For conference details, visit our website, www.dominionlifestyle.org.